New Jester update. The brand new update in Volleyballs is here. And inside of this new update, we get some new codes. So let's actually showcase you every single new of these codes of the JINKO Jester. JINKO the Jester is released, and you can get them inside of the styles. And of course, I'll be showcasing every single new working code. Redeem code Portoy 100,000 club. Blame Dondret. Let's actually zoom in. Zoom in so you can follow up with all these codes. Free lucky spins. A lot of free lucky spins. Extra touch. Update 31W. Update underscore 32. Update 32. Update 32. The next code is JINKO underscore D underscore Jester. JINKO the Jester. He's the most insane character they've ever added, with a curve spike and curve surf, rainbow stats. JINKO Jester. If you do want Robux, comment down below heart emojis. Comment a heart emoji. Any of your choice. You can choose any heart emoji, okay? Any heart emoji. You can choose any heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji if you want Robux. I'm gifting Robux every single day to my viewers. All you have to do is comment a heart emoji in the comments down below. Choose your favorite color. JINKO the Jester is here, and you can actually redeem yourself all these new and working codes. JINKO code as well. W JINKO code